Hi class, my name is Alan Viersa and I'm the instructor for this course. And of course this is Accounting 116A, Financial Accounting. I'm sitting here with my two granddaughters, Grace and Casey. I've put over on the side here, the first 7 slides will have, these are the course menu items in Canvas. So I just want you to get used to seeing them as they are in Canvas. A little bit about myself. I have a bachelor's degree in finance, a master's in accounting, and a second master in CIS with the emphasis in electronic commerce. I was a CPA for 10 years, a stockbroker. I've owned my own small business, and I've been teaching for over 25 years, which included 10 different colleges. I'm married. I have 3 grown children, 2 grandchildren, and I have 3 dogs, but actually I just got a 4th dog, so I have 4 dogs now. My contact information is on the syllabus. Now, when you purchase the textbook, we're now using the 5th edition. You can use the 4th edition and still get through the class. I've posted 2 of the chapters in Getting Started in Canvas, so if you're waiting for a textbook, or if you use the PowerPoint slides instead, not a great idea, but you can try that. I have posted 2 of the chapters. Here's the ISBN number. Now this is for the basic 3-hole punch with access cards. So you may have different ISBN numbers, but the main thing is this is what the 5th edition looks like. The objectives of the orientation video. First of all, navigating Canvas. This is my first Canvas class, so you'll see there's a lot of redundancies, but I did that so students were not worried about finding things. We'll go over all the course menu items. We'll look at the organization, what my expectations for you are in the class, and then we'll even take a look over at MyAccountingLab, which is the software we use for the accounting class. In the assignment area in MyAccountingLab, we'll also look at a couple of the tools. Now, after the video is over, I want you to go in and answer the orientation quiz video. I'll show you where that's located in Canvas. It's not difficult. And then post your autobiography, and there's details of what to put in there in the syllabus. That reminds me, carefully read the syllabus. It has all the details for the entire class. And then, of course, get started with the first chapter that you're assigned in homework from MyAccountingLab. Okay, so here's the course menu items, and we're going to go over and start looking at these one by one. The first course menu item is the home page. And you can see up here that there are 4 links that you can go to these different course items either by clicking here or over here, and a welcome. Now, this is kind of new. This is a tutorial that teaches you how to use the conversation tool. That's a fancy way of saying the email for Canvas is called the conversation tool. And if you click on it, there is a short video, about 4 minutes long, that's going to teach you how to use the email or the conversation tool. And just like all short videos, so we like to use videos nowadays. It's just part of the way that education is done. You can see over here, and let me just add one thing, is the conversation tool actually comes from clicking on the inbox item that's right next to the course menu item. So I'm clicking on it right here. It says inbox. Now to get started again, here's course syllabus, the modules, if you want to go in that way, registering for MyAccountingLab. Now, this is a PDF file. It's in Canvas, so you don't have to download anything. The instructions for registering for MyAccountingLab is very easy. There they are. And so that's your home page. The syllabus course menu item gives you communication policy, and it says, I will get back to you within 2 business days, or I will get back to you on Monday after a holiday. Again, redundantly, it shows you how to use the conversation tool. Here is my email for San Diego Community College District. And then inside of Canvas, you have the syllabus, or again, you can download it and have a hard copy. Canvas also gives you a summary of all of the assignments that are in the syllabus. The next course menu item is the announcements. Now you can't see all these announcements. These are the instructor's view. But as dates go, if you look around the right side here, these dates is when these videos will be released. And I give you extremely good videos to help you complete the homework assignments. And it'll help you on the tests, on the exams. And there's the release dates. It's a way of archiving all the videos so you can go back and review them when it's time to take your exams. So the announcements are very important. Your discussions for this class, they're all released at the beginning of the semester. I did the discussions a little different this year. I did use YouTube videos that I thought were pertinent to the information. It'll ask you a few short questions. You'll have to watch the video. Now, one thing about this semester, you have to reply before you can see the other students' replies. And a lot of it is what you learn from the video. It'll be pretty straightforward, but you can't just guess at it. The module course menu is a complete list week by week of what you have to do. It starts with getting started, which is in the very beginning, and you can see here that we have the first two chapters in PDF format if you don't have your book yet. If you click on the student resources, you notice there's internal resources at the school and external ones like CPA and CMA requirements, things that might interest you in the concept of learning more about accounting. Okay, so again, the PowerPoints are in here. So some people prefer the PowerPoints over the textbook. It's kind of a way of reading an outline rather than the whole text. Again, that's up to you. The key is that you use the tools that are in MyAccountingLab to help you with the problems. MyLab and Mastering is a way that you initially will register for MyAccountingLab. And I've already registered, so mine says Open MyLab and Mastering. Yours will say Getting Started, and then you register. And you have instructions for that in a couple places. But if you were registered, you would get to MyAccountingLab by simply clicking on this button, and it would take you into the course. Now, if you haven't used a tool like this before, and again, I'll put it into my view because the assignments aren't available for you yet, but here they are for the entire semester. And so if I was just to preview, for example, a Chapter 2 question, you can see that it gives you information, and you want to go in here and practice on these things. And so a lot of times you have to open up data boxes, and then you have some more information here. And this is an example of how to do this particular problem. So when you're doing this journal entry, it says on February 8th, you purchased supplies on account. And of course, you'll be taught how to do this through the videos and the text. Now, you have question help over here. Here's a demo doc example that will show you exactly how to do it in a Camtasia type video. E-text pages takes you to the textbook. A calculator you can use to actually do the calculations if you need to. In this one, we don't need it. You can print the homework questions out, and you can if everything else fails, you can click on Ask My Instructor, and it will show me a screenshot of where exactly you are and what you've done, and you can ask your question, and I can actually go in and tell you how to complete the homework and explain why that's the answer. So there's a lot of great tools in here. The one that didn't show up this time is Help Me Solve This. That by far and away is the best of all the tools. Okay, so if I go here, let me see if this one has a Help Me Solve This. Here's a Help Me Solve This. And it really gives you details, word by word, how to do it. You can skip ahead to the part that you don't understand. You really just need the PowerPoints and to use Help Me Solve This to do all the homework. Now, doing the part of the exam might be difficult without the textbook, but the homework is mostly done inside. Okay, so that's when you get into MyAccountingLab. The assignments course menu item, it just lists all the assignments. Again, you can get into course menu. If you look all the way down at the bottom, you notice there's extra credit for going to the business club. That hasn't been posted yet because I don't know the dates. You can see these link into MyAccountingLab, so you can go in this way also. I know there's a lot of redundancy, but again, first time in Canvas, I wanted to make sure no one got lost. The only quiz you're going to be doing is the orientation quiz. Okay, so you can take it an unlimited amount of times. There's 10 easy questions. When you're done with the quiz, it'll be easily done. Here are your grades, and your grades are listed either by assignment type, like this is, or they're done by chronological order, depending on the class. I always put these two up front because I validate your registration by your orientation quiz and your autobiography. So hopefully that's helpful. And finally, you have Google Docs, which you're welcome to use at any time. I don't know if you're going to need it for this class or not, but it is something that students like to use at certain times. Now, we're back at the PowerPoint slide, and we're just reviewing what we went over. And I do this relatively quickly because students can go into Canvas and see this stuff for themselves. And you can also go over the tape several times if there's something you weren't quite sure of. Remember, the syllabus has a very detailed step-by-step explanation for everything that you're doing in the class. So the home page had a welcome, it had some quick links, it had the conversation inbox email. Remember that little icon, inbox icon, and it shows you how to register for MyAccountingLab. The syllabus is located in at least 3 locations. Again, it had a conversation tool inbox. Syllabus, the getting started part, is unique. And we have details, course summary, again, the announcements. Remember, the announcements will archive all of the homework videos, plus you'll get general course announcements and due dates. The discussion, Cyber Cafe. Students can ask questions, but not quiz or exam questions. You can form study groups. You can do a lot of things in Cyber Cafe. It's kind of open for the students. Autobiography, 2 to 3 paragraphs. And discussions boards. You'll have either 2 or 3 depending on which class you're in. The modules have everything that's listed in the class. Again, the 16-week class is different than the 8-week classes. And don't forget the extra credit for the business club, which I will explain to you later. MyLab and Mastering, that's how you get started registering for MyAccountingLab. I showed you some tools. I might do a video later on if students need more help with those tools. They're excellent, especially Help Me Solve This. If all else fails, ask my instructor. The assignments are grouped together by the assignment type, And then you have your quizzes, which is only the orientation quiz. The grades are done by either due dates or assignment type. And finally, last but not least, here's my fourth and new Australian Shepherd. Her name is Faith. She's very opinionated, and she's hoping that everybody has a great semester. Bye for now.